Welcome back to my channel, students. Students, in this class we are going to find the factors of a given expression by using identity as a tool. That means we are going to find the expression by using identities. So in previous class we have solved many problems, and we also discussed about the concept to factorize an expression by using HCF as a tool, right? So here in this class we are going to use identity as a tool to factorize a given expression. Our first problem is 6x square minus 25y square. So we have to find the factors of this given expression. So how can we find the factors of given expression? First we have to compare. But if we compare these two terms, so here there is a minus sign, the values are separated by minus sign. That is why we are calling it as the 16x square as one term and 25y square is as another term. Now if we compare these two terms, we cannot take common, right? We cannot take common by comparing these two terms, because if we just compare by HCF, we cannot. Here we have a 16, here we have a 22, 25. What is the HCF? 1 is the HCF. X square, y square, 1 is the HCF. That means 1, it becomes 1 as a HCF. So that means we cannot find the factors of this given expression. So how can we find the factors of a given expression? So we can find the factors of this expression by using identity, which is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Identities are nothing but we are just using formulas. So formulas, we are just using a formulas, and we are just trying to find out the factors of a given expression. So this how it works. We need to just convert this given statement into an exponential format, right? See friends, when you are doing when you are factorizing an expression, we are just finding the factors by using a favorable condition and by just comparing, right? So or by just using identities. So here we are not simplifying, right? We are not simplifying by Bodmas, like Bodmas. That means bracket, ordering, division, multiplication. It's not like that. We are just not simplifying here. We are just finding the factors of a given expressions, right? So many of you confuse here itself, like how is it to find the factors of a given expression we have to solve. So many of you students will will accept this, but the reality is not like that. We are just not doing a simplification over here. We are just doing a finding a factors of a given expression. That means we have to compare the terms. That is what. So when you don't find the factors by comparing a terms, then what? The next solution is a tool, which is the identities. By using identities, we can also find the factors of a given expressions. We can find the factors of a given expression, right? So here we are just trying to just rewrite this expression as 16 is a square number, 25 is a square number. So we are going to write these two terms in exponential form, which becomes 4 square. 4 square is 16, and there is a x square. So here we are going to keep minus sign. So here we have a 25. So 25 can be written as 5 square. So times y square. So now it just looks like 4 square x square minus 5 square y square. Now if you just try to go to the exponential laws, you just learn that a power n times b power n is equals to ab whole power n, right? That means when powers are same, the bases will be multiplied. So this law we have already learned in exponents, right? Now we are going to use that law in order to just find the product of its factors. Like, so 4 power 2 x power 2 can also be written as 4x whole power 2 minus sign we have. So 5 square times y square can also be written as 5y whole square. Now what we are going to do, so this expression just resembles like a square minus b square. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write a plus b into a minus b. What is our a value? 4x. 4x plus b value 5y times 4x minus 5y. So now we got product of two factors of a given expression. So our next problem is 12m square minus 27. So we have to find the factors of this given expression. So first we need to compare, right? First we need to compare. So this term and this term, right? So here we have a 12, here we have a 27. What is the HCF for 12 and 27? So what is the HCF of 12 and 27? 3 is the HCF, right? So we are going to write 3. And here we have m square, but this term doesn't have m square. So we are going to leave as it is, and now our HCF is 3 now. So what we are going to do is we are going to just uh, divide this whole expression by 3, right? 3 times 4m square, 3 times 4m square is 12m square, minus 3 times 9 is 27. 9 threes are 27, right? So not braces, right? So 4m square minus 9. So we got this. Now what we are going to do, we still did not got the product of two factors. There is something that we need to solve within the bracket, right? There is something, the values need to be solved. So what we are going to do now is we will just find the product of this, find the product of this expression. So how we are just converting 4 and 9 in an exponential form. So we can write 4 as 2 square and m as m square. So minus 9 as 3 square, because these are square numbers. So when we write these in, when we rewrite this as this, now we got something that looks very simple, which is 2 square m square can also be written as 2m whole square minus 3 square. Now it just looks like a square minus b square, right? 2m whole square minus 3 square. It just looks like a square minus b square. Now what we are going to do is we are just writing into a plus b into a minus b. What is a value? 2m plus 3, right? Times 2m minus 3, right? So now we got product of two factors, and also we have 3 that is getting multiplied with two factors, 3. So now our answer is, so that means our factors are 3, 2m plus 3, 2m minus 3. So we got product of three factors of this given expression. So this is how we are going to find the factors of given expression by using a square minus, by using identity and also HCF. So thank you friends, thank you for watching. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Tonopore Max Class.